All right, so let's go over how to do a cubic regression for Unit 4, Lesson 9. Because I know the directions and buzz are just which buttons to push. So we don't have that calculator, so let me show you how to push those buttons in Desmos. Our first step is to put our data into Desmos. So I'm going to hit the plus key, I'm going to add a table, and I'm going to start typing. Now it's horizontal over here in our example, which is the way it appears in Buzz, but that's okay. This is horizontal, but those are still my X values. And don't you just love when your stuff moves around on you? There we go. So here we go. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I'm going to put in my data, and I'm going to pause for a second. All right, I didn't think y'all wanted to sit there and watch me type these in, so just those last two. Your negative sign on your keyboard is, of course, just the minus button. All right, there's my data. Now, if you've looked at my other directions, they have you then type in your formula to get your equation. But a new feature's come up. We now just have to add a regression. Once you have your table in, if you go right up here to this little line with 4 dots, it says add regression. Click it. Boom, the regression is there. But we need the line to match our data, okay? This one's going to be kind of a funky S because that's what cubic is. So we'll go to our down arrow and we'll pick it. Now, if you weren't sure what shape it was, just go through each one until you find the one that connects the dots. Look, connect the dots, la, 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 just like Elmo does. But if it doesn't connect, then that's not the right regression. So we know this one is cubic, and there is my equation. So then I just have to go into Buzz and I pick it. So I'm going to grab this one right here, and we're going to put it in our answer. Then I need to find the next step. Use the equation to predict y when x equals 12. So I need to replace my x values in this equation with 12. Well, I could retype the equation, but this little button is new. Click it. It just typed the equation for me. This can't get any easier, y'all. Now I'm going to replace this x with 12. And I need it to multiply, so I'm going to put it in parentheses. I'm going to delete the x. I'm going to put 12 in parentheses. Make sure in these cubics that you're replacing all 3 x's. And you'll notice, maybe you'll see it, maybe you won't. In this particular one, you can't quite see it because it's off the grid. It'll draw a straight line at your answer, but your answer is also right here. So we're just going to take that and we're going to put it over there in our stuff. So let me go ahead and grab that one. And I know this is going to go right here for that third answer. Of course, it's not going to do it for me because I'm working in slides. But it's just that easy. Happy solving!